Good morning, Washington. In these tense times where many of us are looking for ways to help our friends in Ukraine, a local dance studio is rising to the occasion while bringing people together.
Yeah, Salsa with Sylvia is the largest Latin dance studio in the DMV, and this Saturday you can dance with friends while raising money, all for a good cause. It's one of my favorite places, and I want to take you there right now. Well, back at one of my favorite places to visit, Salsa with Sylvia here on Georgia Avenue. It's great to be back. Last time we were here was the middle of the pandemic. Things are starting to get back to normal around here.
Yes, no masks. People are coming back to dancing, enjoying it. We're having so much fun.
Well, let's talk about that when it comes to dancing and covering your mask. Your face is a big part of dance culture.
It's such a big part, and it's so important to see someone's facial expression when they're dancing, to see them smile. It makes a huge difference.
Well, you can do that now, Salsa with Sylvia, and you have great lessons here and locations throughout the DMV. But we're here because of another reason as well. You have a fundraiser coming up on March 19th.
Yes, we do. So we're going to have a fundraiser to support the victims of the Ukrainian war. We're here to take a stand, and we want everyone to take a stand any way they can. So we're here to do the best that we can do, which is dance. So the fundraiser is on March 19th, and it includes a 2-hour workshop, it includes performances, and 100% of the money will be donated.
You were saying this hits very close to home for you, literally.
It does. So I am originally from Bulgaria, which is very close to Ukraine. In fact, we are helping a lot of refugees right now. And I'm not gonna lie, there is fear and talk going on in Bulgaria about what could happen. And hopefully it won't get to that. I think we can all take a part in helping, because it affects the entire world, whether you know it or not.
Where can people buy tickets for the fundraiser coming up?
So salsawithsylvia.com is where you can get your ticket, and it doesn't matter if you're a dancer or not, you're welcome. You can just come and enjoy music and dance and learn how to dance and do it for a good cause.
I've been coming here for years, and Sylvia's been trying to teach me how to dance.
Yes.
It's just not working out.
So we're gonna do this again. So we're gonna do the basic step.
Okay.
And if you remember, you're gonna go on your left forward.
Okay.
Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You want to try a little turn?
Sure.
3, 5.
By turning you?
7. Yeah. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, turn 6, 7.
I love
Okay.
it.
And then we keep doing the basic. That's it. You're a natural.
See, I'm a natural. There's a lot of people that would disagree with you on that. The professionals are right behind us, and they actually have a special performance for us right now here on Good Morning Washington that we're gonna watch. So let's let them take it away. Support Salsa with Sylvia and the huge fundraiser coming up on March 19th. We'll put more information online at WJLA.com/GMW.